This is Gobo hair clipper and a Gobo hair trimmer. Both of them, they are magnetic hair clipper with a LCD display. This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Yo. So, and both of them comes with a extra faceplate. They asked me which color do I need, so I said they should surprise me, and it's the first time I've seen a magnetic motor with a LCD display. Both of them. So before we get into the specs, let's unbox this hair clipper and a trimmer, a magnetic one. Alright, this is the box. So first of all, we're gonna unbox. I don't know. Okay, both of them, they are the same. This is the trimmer. Okay, the box looks like this. Okay. You can see. So, and it's written got a high-speed magnetic motor with a model number GB0015M. That's a long model number. So, and the clipper, just the same. This one is 15M and this one is 16M. So, got 2000 milliamp battery, 9900 RPM, a digital display. Got 3 hours charging time. It's written here, 3 hours 3 hours charging time and 2 hours operating time. That's not that good for me. You know, when charging time is more than operating time. I don't know. So the trimmer got a USB charging, as you can see, and the clipper doesn't have. So this is the box again. So you can really see. So as you can see, both of them got okay. The trimmer got 2000 milliamp battery, 9900 RPM digital display, and the clipper got 2500 milliamp battery, 9900. So everything the same, and the model number. See, and this one 15M. So as you can see, both are the same. So, yeah, and inside. So here was the trimmer, and this is the faceplate. It's a metal faceplate. So this is the blue one. Inside you got charging cable. So charging dock. So it's a light one, but it's not bad. So you can see. And some guide combs, little brush, and a USB-C charging cable. And to the last, the manual. Okay. So to the clipper, it's somehow the same. Faceplate, red one, blue one, and inside you got some guide combs. So you got how many guide combs? So, and some keys, and some Allen key, and a screwdriver, little brush. The manual, charging dock, and charging cable. So that's it. So now these are the combo. You got like a exo blade and a thin cutter blade, as you can see. So a deep tooth or not? Wait a moment, I don't really know. Yeah, it's a deep tooth. Okay. And the sound check. So the display. And got click a lever. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clicking lever. So 5 clicking lever, and here somehow a thumb rest in place. So you can see it's dipped inside. So it's the body of this clipper is like a troll clipper from TPOB. Power button. So and the lever, as you can see. So the trimmer, like I said before, got a USB-C and the normal charging. So LCD display. So power button in the back, and here somehow it's dipped inside, so you can rest your thumb here. So, and the TPOB blade can fit this hair trimmer. I mean the cycle blade from TPOB. And this is the first time I'm seeing a thin cutter blade on this type of hair trimmer. So as you can see, it's a thin cutter blade. So LCD display, both of them. So the trimmer is a little bit quieter. So one thing I don't really like about this hair trimmer, wait a minute, so you can see it's making a strange noise. So just listen. You hear that? It's making a strange noise. That's the only thing I don't like about this hair trimmer. But the clipper doesn't make a strange noise. So this is the tear down. It's an easy tear down. Just here, 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 here. You open. And the same thing here. And just open it. So this is it. So wait a moment. And the trimmer. So here we are again, and is it a good hair clipper and a trimmer? It depends on. So if you like this style of hair clipper, magnetic motor is not that strong like a rotary motor. So for the hair trimmer, for me, I'm not that really impressed with the performance because, you know, a magnetic motor moves from side to side. You know, for me, it has to move more from side to side. It's like when it's moving, it's like it's vibrating, just vibration. You know, it doesn't really move from side to side. You know, that's why I'm not that really impressed with this. But I changed the cutter blade. When I changed the cutter blade, it was a little bit better, you know. So for the hair clipper, it's okay. It's just like other magnetic motor hair clipper. So that's it for the unboxing of these hair clippers. Peace, man.